Got my 99 Chevy Astro van. The guy who did the AC ripped the neighbor off bad. He charged him $750. He did a new compressor, a dryer. I think that evaporator's new, but I don't know. But he had the evaporator out and didn't even put these bolts back in. Where are they? Right there. They were just hanging. The evaporator was just hanging with the bolts not hooked up. I just put new bolts in today. They're used bolts from another Astro van at LKQ. I'm gonna do this headlight, take the old ones out and I'm gonna put these kind of headlights in. The fancy ones. Those old square ones are coming out. Or rectangles. It's gonna have that new face, that new front end. It's gonna, the grill, I'm worried about the grill. The new one has, all this is chrome on the grill. But I try to take two of them grills out of the vans at LKQ and they just fall apart in your hands. It's crazy. I might end up having to buy a brand new grill. Just to be safe. It's a good van. I can't believe he paid $750 for the air condition. It got a brand new blower too. And it still didn't work. I had to put a blower relay on it. Ooh, the headlights. I had a big problem with headlights. It ended up being that multi-switch. The multi-switches, turn signals, windshield wipers, high beams, and cruise control. That switch was $105 at O'Reilly's. I was scared to go to an automotive mechanic, electrical mechanic, because they would have charged me $350 for that multi-switch. Another $150 to put it in. My mechanic put it in for $40. It took less than an hour. I hate this grill. It'll be nice to have that new grill and that new headlight look. 1999 Astro van. It just turned over 326,000 miles. I think the motor was either rebuilt or a crate motor, because it runs really good.